City map. Okay, thank you. Is this the bus going to
Yes,
town?
this bus will go.
Okay.
First it will go stop at the Rosenberg,
Yes.
first stoppage, and the second one it will be the Little Mermaid, and from Little Mermaid it will come back again.
Okay. Thank you so much. Hi guys! Welcome back! Jigs here! For today's video, andito nga pala kami ngayon sa Copenhagen, Denmark. So, ayun na nga at another break time and another gala time tayo dito ngayon sa Copenhagen, Denmark. Kaya naman samahan nyo akong mag-ikot dito sa napakagandang city ng Copenhagen. You wanna go? Let's go!
That's where the shuttle stop is. But if you just go back of the bus, pass over this intersection here, go down half a block, then the walking street is gonna start on your left down to a square there, and the big walking street is crossing you. If you go to the right, you will come up to City Hall, Tivoli. If you go to the left, you will come down to New Harbor. You can also come down to New Harbor directly. You can just go straight in front of the bus from where we are now. And if you see the next traffic light ahead of me, that's already halfway down. So it's not that far away from here. If you are down in New Harbor, there is a canal boat that can take you around for 1 hour and show you all the highlights of Copenhagen. It's a very nice tour. I have to get around here. And from there you can continue up to the Royal Palace. It takes 5 minutes from New Harbor. Go to the Royal Palace, go another 5 minutes up to the Gefion Fountains, and another 5 minutes you are up by the Little Mermaid, where we have the other shuttle stop. You're also welcome to be sitting in my bus, join the next shuttle stop, or just go back to the ship if you like. So enjoy the day here. I have maps up here if you're interested, city maps.
Ang bongga naman ng driver ng shuttle bus, 2-in-1, driver na, tour guide pa. Bakit iba yung pa-shuttle bus nila ngayon? Nagala-gala tayo. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the beautiful city of Copenhagen. Ang galing. Ang coffee. This cafe. Ang cute. At sakto naman na pagdaan ko dito, merong street artist na nagpe-paint ng mga iba't ibang national flags. Kapag magpapagawa ka, maglalagay ka lang ng pera doon sa donation box, tapos sabihin mo lang sa kanya kung anong national flags yung ipapagawa mo. Kapag hindi niya alam, pwede mo namang i-google tapos ipakita mo sa kanya. Meron na rin pala nagpagawa ng Philippine flag. Ayan o. Actually, nag-stay pa ako ng konti kung meron pang magpapagawa pero mukhang mauubos yung oras ng break time ko kaya dumiretso na ako agad sa pupuntahan ko. Medyo na-curious ako dito sa Museum of Illusions. Parang ang ganda rin. Kaso nga lang kulang yung oras ko ngayon. Maybe next time. In fairness, ang layo din talaga ng nilakad ko. And finally, andito na ako sa may pinaka main square ng city. And I think etong nasa left side ko na parang brown building, yan yata yung city hall na sinasabi nung bus driver kanina bago kami bumaba. So ayun na nga ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Copenhagen. At ayun na nga, feeling turista na naman tayo for today's video. Pang Instagrammable din talaga yung lugar, kaya naman puro selfie na naman tayo nito mamaya. And of course, ang ganda ng weather nila today. Maaraw pero hindi ganun kainit. Tapos mahangin pero hindi naman maginaw. Mapapansin mo din na bawat sulok dito, puro bisikleta ang makikita mo. Yung mga tao may mga bitbit na bisikleta. Parang mas preferred nilang gumamit ng bicycle kesa sa gumamit ng sasakyan. Actually, marami talagang pwedeng puntahan dito sa Copenhagen. Kaso nga lang, limited lang yung oras ko. Kaya limited lang din yung mapupuntahan ko today. Naalala ko lang na meron pala ditong museum ng Ripley's Believe It or Not. So, tinry kong i-google and malapit lang pala dito sa may main square. At konting kembot lang pala mula dito sa kinatatayuan ko papunta doon sa museum ng Ripley's Believe It or Not. Kaya konting lakad lang. Kung batang 80s at batang 90s ka, for sure ako na familiar ka sa Ripley's Believe It or Not. So, nandito pala yung museum nila sa Copenhagen, Denmark. How much is the admission?
169 if you want to do just Ripley's, 206 if you want to do the combo of the Ripley's and the Hans Christian Andersen. You also have our other location, about a 15-minute walk down towards the end of the Walking Street, where you have the Guinness World Record, and along with the little spooky house. You can also do them all four for that price.
So, if I take this one, that's 23 euro. So, which one is that? This inside the museum?
Yes. And you can also do the Guinness over on the other side. That would also be 169. You can do both of the big main attractions for 269.
Do you do a discount for the ship's crew?
Ship group.
You know, working the ship. so do I have to show
Yeah,
my...
you just like your little ID.
I didn't know that. I just tried my luck. So I guess this is my lucky day.
Yeah.
So here's my ID, ship's card ID.
It's cool with the little red one on there.
Pardon?
I said it's cool with the little red.
Yeah.
No, you don't
It's
take
okay.
it off.
Okay.
I thought it was cool.
Oh, it's actually Tanqueray logo, the gin.
You actually have access to both cards.
Okay, thank
So
you
this
so
one,
much.
you scan when you get to the Hans Christian Andersen. So you start with this one from here, go all the way around, come down on that side over there,
Okay.
and then you scan that
So
one.
this is the exit as well. Alright.
And then you can do the same. You can just say that's your number, and they'll give you a ticket on the Guinness as well.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much. Just push. Okay. Thank you so much. Akalain mo yun, nakalibre tayo. Sinabi ko lang na ship's crew ako. So, andito ako ngayon sa Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum. And libre yung ticket para sa mga ship's crew. Actually, nagbabaka sakali lang ako kanina na baka meron silang discount para sa mga ship's crew. Yung pala libre kapag seafarer ka. Ang galing, di ba? Button woman. Puro butones. Ay, di wow. Konti nga lang pala yung videos ko doon sa loob ng Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum kasi nalobat yung camera ko. And then na-realize ko na konti na lang pala yung oras ng break time ko kaya hindi ko siya talaga totally natapos. Bali isang part lang yung pinuntahan ko. At nag-exit na rin ako kasi masyadong mahaba pa. May 3 part pa kasi siya. So I decided na pumunta na lang dito sa Starbucks para bumili ng souvenir. Bukod doon sa Starbucks mug na binili ko na souvenir, pupunta din ako sa ibang souvenir shops para bumili ng fridge magnets tsaka nung license plate. Actually, nagmamadali na rin talaga ako dito kasi baka mamaya maiwanan ako ng shuttle bus at malate ako sa work. Ito talaga yung mahirap kapag very limited lang yung oras mo kasi kailangan mong bumalik agad kasi may trabaho ka pa. Ayun na nga at nakabili na ako ng mga souvenirs. And then pabalik na ako ng shuttle bus. Sana maabutan ko pa yung shuttle bus para hindi ako malate sa work. Anyway, thank you for watching guys. See you again soon. Bye!